No, we're gonna figure out why this matters to us, and we're gonna take the necessary steps to create the behaviors and the habits to make this a lifestyle. Boom, drop the mic.
All right. Schultz13 on Snapchat. I've been eating well for about a year, and then a few months ago I fell off the wagon and I'm having trouble getting back on. It has to do with lack of willpower and indulging a little too much. Do you have any advice to help get back on track? I'm having trouble finding motivation.
I've talked about this.
I just did a video on this.
So much, yeah. I'm gonna look right into the camera and ask you, why is it important for you to get back on track? Dramatic pause. I'm being 100% serious. Why? Why does it matter to you?
So first, figure out why you want to do it. Establish why it's worth it. Saying you want to be healthy is not enough. A better answer is, I want to be strong to play with my grandkids. Figure out your why. Write it down. Then take the daily actions that are going to bring you closer to your goals. So every time you hit a roadblock or are faced with that ice cream cone in the office, go back to your why. Is that ice cream going to take you closer or further away from your goals? And if you don't know anything about nutrition or how many calories you're eating or anything about fitness, hire a trainer to keep you accountable. When you have skin in the game, when you have money in the game, you're gonna work harder. Invest in yourself. This is your health we're talking about, and this body that you have, it is the only real estate you're ever gonna own and that you can never replace. Act accordingly. That right there is your compass to your goal.
Say it out loud, girl.
Why? No, think about it right now, and it's not just for you, it's for every single one of you guys. Why does this matter to you? Why are you watching our videos? What is it about what you want to change in your life? Why is that important to you? Until you can answer that question, it's never going to become a lifestyle for you.
Right.
Boom, drop the mic.
All right. We're done. We're out of here. Let's leave.
No, I don't want to be cheesy, guys, but I wrote an entire book about this. Think and Live Lean. So many of you guys have picked it up, and I'm loving all the response. So I'm assuming you haven't picked that up yet, because that is what the entire book is about. It's about finding your why and about changing your mindset, that this isn't just a 30-day fast or 30-day
or on the
clean,
wagon, off the wagon.
On the wagon, off the wagon. It's no, we're gonna figure out why this matters to us, and we're gonna take the necessary steps to create the behaviors and the habits to make this a lifestyle. We were talking today about if I could add on the fat from our last video.
Oh yeah.
And I was like, I don't know if I could, because everything I do is so ingrained into my everyday that it would be like doing a complete transformation on me in a negative way to get out of the habits that are so ingrained in me. Like going to the gym, having healthy foods.
So yeah, what you're saying is that you don't need motivation now because it's so habitual.
It just is
the way we live, it just is our normal life.
I do not make a lot of money off of these book sales. I'll be 100% honest with you. This was a 100% passion project for me. Go pick up the book and read it, or it's on audiobook as well, that you can listen to it in the car. You can listen to it on your iPhone. You're going for your walks, your workouts. Do it. Yes. I promise you, it's going to help you get the motivation to change.
Keep it forever, and then there's no such thing as on or off the wagon.
Whew, I feel all Tony Robbins right now. We actually just finished watching Tony Robbins on Netflix there, and I think that was a little inspiration came out of me there, but it's so
Powerful stuff.
Today's question of the day: on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being a monk, how disciplined are you? Share your experiences in the comments section below. Now I want you to go watch this video right over here on how to get back on track after vacation or binging.